It's Kinder time. I want to see which one's next. I love Kinder eggs.
What surprise do you think is inside?
I have no idea. Oh my goodness. Why do these wrappers keep getting in my way?
They're making you work for your treat. Oh, that one came off pretty easy.
Oh,
that one came off really easy.
Yeah. Because the chocolate stayed in the wrapper. Can you help me with this part?
Yeah, it's kind of tricky.
Oh, this looks interesting. Oh, it's another one of those memory games.
Oh, is it like a puzzle game?
Another one of those memory games.
Oh yeah, it is. It's like one of these travel puzzle games.
I'm going to put this one on. Now we need the hole.
So it looks like it is a portable memory game. I'm going to do a little assembly here. Some of the other ones you can get. And while I'm working on this, do you want a bite of chocolate?
Maybe just one more bite.
Okay. So on the road, it looks like it comes on this cute little key ring. You could take it to like a sleepover or school. Face kind of looks like Frankenstein a little bit. Off the ring, we can lay it out as a memory game. Okay, do you want to go first?
Oh, I got a butterfly.
Okay, turn it back over. Oh, yeah, I guess you get a second choice. Oh, okay.
Blue.
Yeah, turn them back over. All right, I'm going to try this one. Oh, butterfly. Butterfly, I got a match. Okay, your turn.
That one. Ooh, a match.
Ah, you silly. All right, well, that was pretty fun.
I won.
You won. Okay. Well, that was a fun Kinder Egg adventure. See you next time, friends.
See you next time. Bye. In a while, crocodile. See you later, alligator.